Hello guys, it's the Gamer Girl here, and today I'm just gonna show some stuff like how you can find me, and yeah, hope this is not too loud. It's not loud for me, but that doesn't always mean anything. Anyway, so once again, of course, if you're on my channel, you know who I am. As you noticed, I edited myself, I fixed my channel a little bit. I put my own background, and I got a new picture up. I'm going to keep the name up, but I'm going to try, I'm going to keep trying, though, to make more videos. This video is just temporary, not temporary, but just so I keep in check with my peoples that are watching. So far, I only have 10 subscribers and only 163 views. Besides the fact of my YouTube channel, I also got other things, like my own website. This is a free website, and I don't have the money at the moment to have an actual website, so for now, this is my website. If you're curious, here it is, thegamergirlxp.weebly.com, and I will put it in the description below if you need it. So, this website, and it's I didn't put my real name, YouTube video maker. I am a girl with a big imagination. I love video games, trucks, wolves, and more, and I have a picture of a wolf. And what about? Well, what do we do? This page is to tell my fellow followers to find me and see what I am up to. This is also a place where they can find out where to contact me at. I really hope you all enjoy this page. I made this website for my YouTube channel, nothing more. And it has some pictures of furries. So if you're a furry person, then, and little baby ones as well. So yeah, and then the contact information, if that's where you need to go. I'll put my number, my email, my channel if you come to this first, and my Skype. I may put more info later, and I just have random pictures of girls. And as you notice, I also have IMVU, and I also have Spotify. And as you can see, it shows my actual name, but that doesn't matter. And besides that, I also have Steam. Some of you already know that. And of course it's under the Zombie Girl instead of normal everyday the Gamer Girl, which it's the Gamer Girl 039 is my normal username, but this is just the username that I have here. But the Steam name is Zombie Girl and the username is the Gamer Girl 039. Yeah, it has all my interests if you're ever interested. And so far I only have I have 4 games. Hang on. I have more than 4. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 games, yeah. And I pretty much play A Computer Loaded, and Unturned. Unturned seems to be my favorite game. So if you guys are ever interested in like playing with me and you know the game Unturned, I would be happy to play with you. Just add me. And I'll put my description below on Steam versus Steam, so you can get my Steam. And so that's pretty much where you guys can find me. If you're ever, if you're ever interested, and I do have Facebook, but I don't think I'm gonna show you my Facebook. I mean, you can probably find me like that now that you've seen my seen this. But besides that, I'm probably gonna make a page on Facebook for this as well. But until then, I'm not gonna give that information out. You'll probably find me, but I don't really care. I'm just not gonna give it out. You'll have to find it yourself. If you like my videos though, please do comment down below that you enjoy them, and I'll keep this up, especially multiplayer. My friend here, as you've seen in the Unturned Season 1 Episode 4, multiplaying with people, I was on Skype with a buddy, or boyfriend, whatever you want to call him. Oh, sorry, I thought he messaged me back. I'd just be like, what? Sorry, yeah, so maybe, I think for now, I'm just gonna play music and see where it goes from there. And to show you random stuff I have. Why not do that?
You were waiting on the edge of the unknown, with the cataclysm raining down, insides crying, save me now. You were there, impossibly alone. Do you feel cold and lost and desperate? faint morning light, filled with hope 'cause you're here in my life. And we've gone from the edge of our souls, made it back to a place we call home. You see me through. I was alone in the dark and the fear was my truth. Yeah, all the things. Bartender, I really did it this time. Broke my parole to have a good time. When I got home it was 6 a.m. The door was locked so I kicked it in. She was tripping on the bills. I think she was high on some pills. She threw my things out into the yard. Then she called me a bum and slapped me real hard. And in my drunken stupor I did what I should have never done. Now I'm sitting here talking to you, drunken on the run. I'm sitting at a bar on the inside, waiting for my ride on the outside. She stole my heart in the trailer park, so I jacked the keys to her father's car and crashed that Chevrolet and then stepped away. You know, Mo, I'll probably get 10 years, so just give me beer.
Give me a second, I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she's waiting for me just across the bar. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about a scar. And I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget, but between the drinks and subtle things, the holes in my apologies, you know, I'm trying hard to take it back. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight.
So let's set the world
time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight.
Well guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed this weird video that I decided to randomly post. If I'm also willing to do stuff like other YouTubers do, like, I don't know, let's do something for an example. Like this. I can do videos like this. Like, I can, like, tell my opinion, tell you my opinion on some videos. Just, they can't be inappropriate. Like, if there's violence, I can handle it. But, I mean, like, worse than this, killing. You know what I mean, if you're my age. So, yeah, if you, like, I like warrior cats, and I like wolf animations as well. Okay, maybe Minecraft I might like. I do like Minecraft. I actually watched the wolf song. It's good. I don't think I've watched this one before. Well, anyways, thank you all for watching. I hope you all have an amazing rest of the day wherever you may be. So I think I'm gonna end it. So yeah, and if you're wondering what thing I'm using, it is Open Broadcast software. So yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and peace out.